One second. Hey everyone, I was playing PUBG. You all know that how addicted I am towards it. Okay, you all don't know, but we all are so much addicted towards this game. But I have a question that I can't find the red bandana nowadays. In earlier days, I used to find it in the loot box, but nowadays I can't see it. Do you know where it's gone? If you want to know, check the video and many more interesting facts about PUBG which you may be knowing, may not be knowing. We don't know. Let's check out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday and I'm here with Facts Friday, and this video must be an interesting one because it's based on the most played mobile game at present in the world, that is PUBG. And we all know the man behind this, Brendan Green, Irish boy. But do you know how did he get this idea to develop this game? He got the idea of this game after reading the Hunger Games books. And do you know that before developing this game, this man, Brendan Green, did not know anything about programming. Yes, guys, he was a designer, but in the field of programming, he did not know much. Yet he developed such a beautiful and the most popular game. So I think most of you can also do something like this. I hope this will motivate you. Now, this game has more than 400 million downloads and the team has grown from 30 people to more than 400. Now, there are some of the facts about it, which I guess the people playing the game must also maybe not knowing. That is, winner, winner, chicken dinner. This is that screen which we all wait to see. This is that message on the screen which when pop up, we all are happy that yeah, finally we won. But why winner winner chicken dinner? Why chicken dinner exactly? There is a story behind it. I'll tell you. It originated from gambling. People during 1930s, during the economic crisis time, gambled in the alleys for money. And if they won, that meant that they could afford chicken for the dinner of the day. Of that night, they can afford a chicken. And thus slowly this chicken dinner got popularized and ultimately it came in this game like chicken dinner. So now you know the storyline behind using the word chicken dinner. Now, most of the places in PUBG are Russian related places. But do you know the storyline behind the name Erangel? The Erangel we all know is a map mostly recognized and primary map in the PUBG. This name Erangel was inspired by the creator, that is Brandon Green's daughter Erin. So he combined Erin plus Angel and he gave the name Erangel. There is other story about this also, but this is the fact that he used this name because of his daughter. Now the name Player Unknown's Battleground. This name should also have a storyline, and it does have. This name was taken from the creator's Brendan Green's game name Player Unknown. He used this name, the name, in the Arma, in which he named his player 1 as Player Unknown, and he liked the sound and thus decided to name his game that too. So these were things. And the red bandana. I hope most of you must be knowing about this. And this is the rarest item, one of the rarest item in the PUBG that we get in the loot box. But nowadays, can you get it in the loot box so easily? No. Why? Let's see. When the game was launched, the item was bundled with the pre-orders and the item was found inside the loot boxes. But after a while, the box either stopped or rarely featured the red bandana inside them, because it was reported that a user bought the item for $1,000. that is rupees 69,000. So therefore nowadays it's the rarest item. So these were some of the facts about it. If you like the video and want to know more about this game or any other game, please comment on the comment box. I'll surely give it to you. And if you like the video, click on the like button, subscribe it, and click the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I come up. And until I get up with the new video, take care. Bye bye.